All right, welcome back to Project COVID 1953, our 1953 Chevy 150. Just a quick update, something that I worked on after getting the dash in place. I ended up, I'm going with an aftermarket heater setup. So it's basically, I bought it on eBay. It's basically a little box that has a heater core in it that you run the lines to, and it's got an electric fan that can blow through it, and it's got 3 little vents. So I'm going to have it right in the center of the dash, underneath the dash, and you just have a switch that you can turn on and turn the heat on. Eventually I plan on having air conditioning, but for now, I think it was like about $100, and this is a good way to have a heater in my car. And I plan on driving it even when it's cold, so I definitely need a heater. So I got that in place, and what I did to brace it up, I used some angle iron and all that, and then made brackets underneath, and it's twofold. It's one to hold the heater in place, but also to support the dash. The dash is welded up the side and around the top, but it's nothing underneath. And going with the new Kugel 90-degree brake setup, I had to eliminate the main support brackets. So these are brackets that I'm using for the heater are doubling as support brackets as well. So it turned out really good. So now the heater's dead center, tucked up real nice and tight, so really you can only see it if you really stoop down to look, which is what I want. I don't want it to be a big glaring box in the middle. I don't mind if you see a little bit of it, but it's kind of tucked up and out of the way, and it should work great. So that's done. Just a quick update. I wanted you to see what I did. To me, it's fun doing this kind of stuff versus rust, stripping rust. So as I go, anything I'm going to add, I'm going to keep showing it to you. So stay tuned. There'll be more.